Hi everyone, this is Amin. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about will and be going to in the future simple. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you the form of will and be going to and the difference between using them in the future simple. So, both of these are used to express future time, but they have slightly different meanings. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the form of will and be going to. First, let's start with the form of will. We simply use will and the base form of the verb. That's it. For example, he will play football tomorrow in the future. Let's look at negations with will. We use will and we add not, contracting it into want and the base form of the verb. For example, we won't go if it's cold. Now, questions with will. Again, we use will and the base form of the verb. For example, will you attend the meeting? Now, if you need to make a double-edged question, it's very easy. You need to add a question word like who, what, when, where, why, how long, how often at the beginning. For example, why will you attend the meeting? Now, the form of be going to. So, we use the verb to be, going to, and the base form of the verb. So, for example, I'm going to study more tonight. For negations, we do the same, but we add not to the verb to be. For example, we're not going to have lunch. Now, for questions, again, we use the verb to be, going to, and the base form of the verb. For example, is he going to quit his job? Now, again, if you need to make a double-edged question, then you need to add a question word at the beginning. So, for example, when is he going to quit his job? Now, we need to use will and be going to. So, number one, to express a prediction, use either will or be going to. So, what does that mean? It's a good question. When the speaker is making a prediction, a statement about something will be true or will occur in the future, either will or be going to is possible to use. So, for example, according to the weather report, it will be hot tomorrow. Or, according to the weather report, it's going to be hot tomorrow. So the two sentences are correct and have the same meaning. Okay? Number two, to express a prior plan, use only be going to. So again, what's that mean? Okay, when the speaker is expressing a prior plan, something he intends to do in the future, because he has a plan or decision to do it, only be going to is used. Okay? For example, I talked to Bob yesterday. He's tired of taking the bus to work. He's going to buy a car. That's what he told me. So, Bob has a plan or decision to buy a car. So here, only be going to is used. Number three, to express willingness, use only will. So for example, Sam said, the phone is ringing. Alex replied, I'll get it. So that means that Alex is saying, I'm willing, I'm happy to get the phone. He's not making a prediction, he has made no prior plan, he is volunteering to answer the phone and uses will to show his willingness. Now, this is the end of the lesson. I hope you understand clearly the difference between will and be going to in the future simple. This lesson by me, Amin Ahmed from Young Teachers Channel. See you the next lesson and the next video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.